You've heard AI is taking jobs, but what does the real data say? Last month, the U.S. economy lost more jobs than expected, surprising economists. Yet the S&P hit a record high. Why? Fewer jobs can mean lower interest rates, boosting corporate profits. But here's the twist. Companies aren't just cutting workers, they're using AI to automate tasks, making businesses leaner and faster. This isn't about robots replacing humans, yet it's about AI driving efficiency. So, is this good or bad for jobs? Let's dig deeper. Job reports aren't just numbers, they influence big economic decisions. When fewer jobs appear, policymakers ease pressure on interest rates, boosting stocks like the S&P to record highs. But AI-driven efficiency plays a hidden role here. Companies automate tasks to cut costs, making businesses leaner and more competitive. This isn't about robots replacing humans yet. It's about AI reshaping how work gets done, often quietly. So while fewer jobs might sound bad, it's a complex story with deeper layers. AI is quietly automating routine tasks like data entry and customer support in entry-level jobs. While it doesn't always make headlines, software now handles repetitive work faster than humans, reshaping roles without dramatic job losses. Let's look at a real-world example where AI isn't just theory, it's already handling complex tasks. In Taiwan, autonomous drones called Hivemind recently completed their first swarming mission on water. These drones didn't need human control. They coordinated to identify and escort a vessel during surveillance. This shows AI handling real challenges, but it also has limits. For example, the drones can't yet adapt to unpredictable weather or unexpected obstacles. So while AI is getting better at routine tasks, it still struggles with the messy, unpredictable parts of work, just like humans do. AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's automating routine tasks like data entry or customer support, making them leaner and faster. But here's the key. AI still struggles with unpredictable, messy work like adapting to weather or unexpected obstacles. Take healthcare tech as an example. Amwell uses AI to streamline processes, but doctors still make human judgments that machines can't replicate yet. So while AI reshapes jobs, it doesn't eliminate roles requiring creativity or nuance. While governments pour billions into quantum computing like the U.S., racing to match China, they're often overlooking AI's immediate impact on jobs. Take Taiwan. Its drone swarms now patrol waters autonomously, handling routine tasks while human operators step in when things get complex. Unlike sci-fi robots, today's AI doesn't fully replace workers. It automates repetitive jobs, freeing people for tasks machines can't yet handle, like problem-solving or creativity. Let's tackle a common myth. AI won't wipe out entire jobs, but it will reshape them. Stock markets react strongly to AI news, like when job reports eased concerns about rate hikes, showing investors see AI as an efficiency tool, not a threat. Take Taiwan's Hivemind drones. They autonomously swarmed to escort vessels, proving AI handles routine tasks well. But here's the catch. They still need human oversight for unpredictable challenges, like bad weather or obstacles. AI automates, but it doesn't replace nuanced work that requires creativity or judgment. AI can handle routine tasks like data entry or surveillance, but it still struggles with unpredictable challenges, like adapting to bad weather or making nuanced judgments in healthcare. Take Taiwan's Hivemind drones. They autonomously escorted vessels, but humans stepped in when things got messy. The same goes for jobs requiring creativity or emotional intelligence. While AI reshapes roles, it doesn't eliminate them entirely. Instead, it highlights the skills that still matter: adaptability and human judgment. But current data doesn't show AI's full impact on gig workers like food delivery drivers or creative jobs like writing or design. Most studies focus on routine tasks, but these roles still need human creativity, such as a chef adjusting a recipe based on taste. We lack research on how AI affects these areas, leaving gaps in our understanding. So, how do you prepare for a future where AI handles routine tasks but still needs human judgment? Start by upskilling in AI-adjacent areas, like learning to use automation tools or understanding data analytics. Think of it like becoming the co-pilot for AI. You don't need to be an expert coder, but knowing how to guide and collaborate with these tools will make you more adaptable. For example, A chef doesn't just follow a recipe. They adjust flavors based on taste. Similarly, jobs requiring creativity or emotional intelligence like healthcare or creative writing will still value your unique human touch. The key is balancing AI's efficiency with your adaptability and judgment. AI is reshaping jobs but not eliminating them entirely. It's more like a co-pilot, handling routine tasks while humans add adaptability and judgment. Think of a chef adjusting a recipe or a healthcare worker making nuanced decisions. But the data has gaps. How does AI impact gig workers or creative roles? We need more research to see the full story. The key is balancing AI's efficiency with your unique human skills, like creativity and emotional intelligence. AI isn't just changing jobs. It's already shaping gig work like food delivery or freelance writing, creative fields such as art, and even healthcare. In Taiwan, AI-driven drones like Hivemind are testing autonomous swarming for defense, showing how automation is advancing. But human judgment still leads in critical areas like medical decisions. The evidence here is still developing, so your perspective matters. Share your questions or experiences below. I'll explore them in future videos. Let's keep